Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Moralis for streams and webhooks step by step clearly. Visit the Moralis website to create your account. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Fill out the required information to register, including your email and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your newly created Moralis account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate and select the Web3 section from the left sidebar. Click on Streams to access the streaming service options. In the Streams section, find and click on the Create Stream button. Fill out the required fields for your stream, including the name and description. Select the blockchain you wish to stream from. Set up the webhook URL where you want the events to be sent. Ensure your webhook endpoint is properly configured to receive the data. Review all the details you've entered to ensure accuracy. Click on the Create button to finalize your stream setup. After creation, you will see your stream listed in the Streams section. To test the webhook, you can send a test event from the Moralis dashboard. Monitor your webhook URL to confirm that the events are being received correctly. Adjust any settings as needed based on your testing results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.